In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to use the most popular social media analytics tool. So the name of this tool is Social Blade. So with Social Blade, you can check the real-time analytics, statistics, and insights of a channel. So it's not only for Facebook or Twitter, it's also for YouTube, for Twitch, for Instagram, for a lot, TikTok, and the rest. So in this video, our main focus is YouTube. So I'm going to show you how you can check the analytics, the monthly earnings, yearly earnings, subscribers, and everything about the channel on here. So to do this, you just need to hop on your channel, preferred channel. You use the name or the link here. So you copy the link, or you can use the name of the channel. So now let's hop on here. So on here, you can enter the name of the channel here, or you can input the link there. So you just need to, I copied the link, so let me paste the link here. It's going to take some time, but then it's going to come. Yeah, so now it's here. So on here, you get every information about Real Madrid's official YouTube channel. You can see their subscribers is 16.1 and the upload is 7.1 thousand. Everything is here, and their estimated earnings, their country of residence, the time they created this channel, the channel type, everything. And not only that, they give you insights on their daily views and subscribers. So you can see here their subscribers, daily subscribers. So on Saturday they got 100k subscribers, something like that. And this is today, which is live, and the number of views they get daily and their estimated earnings. So the estimated earning is not that accurate, so I have a video on that. You can check my channel on how to calculate the real estimated earnings of a channel when you consider some things before you do that. So now let's move to the other section, which is future projections. So the reason why most content creators love this is they give you future projections. So let me show you guys something. So the future projections, they are going to project your future. Maybe in 2 months time you're going to get, or you're going to reach 17 million subscribers. They already have 16 million subscribers, so they are saying in 2 months time they will reach 17, and their views they are going to get is this, which is 3 billion, or yes, I'm right, 3 billion. And this is 4 months time, 6 months time, 8 months time. So that's it. And this is their tags they use on here on their channel. Every channel has a tag. So that's it on how to use Social Blade. It's very, very simple and easy. I just brushed through everything, and you can use this to search for similar websites. So let's scroll down here. So this is the similar channels, Minecraft and the rest. These are all similar channels that have the name as, or have the recognition as a sports channel. So you can see here the channel type. So they use the channel type to determine this. So all these are sports channels here, NFL and the rest, Real Madrid, Al Jazeera, Supercar, Blondie, they are all sports channels. So this make reviews about cars, so that's why I think they are classifying it as that. So that's it. And they also give you achievements here, but then if the channel is not yours, I don't think you need this. So they give you achievements here. So that's it about Social Blade. If you have any question, you can drop it in this video's description. I'm going to help you solve that. So that's it for the video. Once again, if you are new here, do well to like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.